Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So as you see me, may I fix me here. So may I go up on the road. Yeah. Um Sunday I'm my uncle funeral. Sunday is funeral day. Girls. Yes, I fix this now. I go up on the road and get some stuff as usual. Take out non-existent baby ears. Alright, so I'm gonna make edge. This one I use black wax, guys. So me that's a Sunday funeral day. I need to get her slippers. I have slippers, you know. I have slippers can wear, but I don't know for some reason I don't want to wear them on me. I don't know if it look good with what me I go wear. First of all, the family I go wear blue and white. So I want a silver slippers or a white slippers. I never want to wear no heels. That's the thing. Yeah. No want to wear no heels. But yeah. So, no want to wear no heels. Some of the, let's say my friend want like a flat one for buy. Want like a flat slippers, you know. But then I get my same the shoes done. And see one white slippers, one little fat one. But me not know if I want to wear that one. So I gotta look at my friend anyways. And a tuxedos. Chips I'm going to get a tuxedo if me ready shit. So I gotta say my friend want little black slippers to wear. Even but black then if I want to go white slippers to wear. If not, me go wear whatever I have. Alright, guys. So it's a black wax, you know, it's a wax. So through my edges thin, when I use the black wax, because it's kind of fidgety. Yeah. So I'm gonna look at my fan one. I remember. If me not find any, me I go wear what I have, and I'm going to go buy some braid. I can't bother with my head. Can't bother. I want to wear braid. Go to the funeral, so I'm gonna braid it. Ooh, mega braid it. Me don't want a wig because I can't deal with the wig. The braid can just stay in there for 1 month or so because you know, the next month a junior graduation. What is something there? Where the head gone? Around it, guys. Can't find the other black one. I'm always put over it. But I'm find one next one. Anyway. I could just braid my ear so I can keep it in for the next month and then, you know, pull it out for junior graduation. I don't know, maybe wear a wig of junior graduation. Guys, I don't like the one, you know. But anyway, I'll put it over it. I don't know what I do with the one I'm not going to put on. So, yeah, and I've worried about for comb head for the next month, which is good. Sometimes I can't take for do this, you know, the wig thing. And this a headband wig and I can't but if I fix. Maybe my braid me just sketch up my hair or gone or just gone with it same way. You know? He's not too much of a big person. I love braids. Maybe because that's what I do, but no, seriously, I love braids. Aside from it being a protective style, you know, keep my ear and grow my ear. I just love it because it's more easier for me on the go. On the go. You know. But when I pull out the braid, you know, headband wig, good old headband wig, ever there, on the go. I have many in the wig, but who have time for that? They are glue them and do all them stuff, they not me. So yeah, yeah. See now, see the black walks make me look like me have the cut edge. Alright. My have edge, you know, them just thin. But you know, it feel it here. So come here, sweat. It hot, guys. Sun come out. It's like after 11 now. I never plan to leave so late. But I wake up this morning and just lie down and just I wonder my mind if I forgot on the road or not. But me know me I forgot because tomorrow I want to bring me here tomorrow and then Friday and Saturday me have work busy. I may have some other little other stuff to deal with as well. You know, Saturday I set up and may have work another day set up. So may have to go to get the break because may have to do it tomorrow Labor Day. Me not work tomorrow so me can just do me here. Alright. Tati said she wants some big quinoa bread for the funeral. I don't know because she have to pull it out Sunday night anyway when she come home. But like how big, maybe me just do it. It's not here anyway. So I'm ready now. So yeah, come go. Hopefully me get for vlog on the road. I know them store nowadays. Nobody know why you video them in them store. And I'm supposed to buy a white pants. Pele asked me to go buy one white pants as well too. So hopefully, yeah. This June they give me this on my birthday. And I know I'm gonna print the picture them put in it. So I'm gonna try to do that too. I'm gonna go to the plaza. Print three. Wow, one, two, three. Yeah, three picture with me and name and put in it too. Yeah. Guys, there is a Spanish town. Me go in a store, but true, me couldn't fit in a store. So practically get everything what I want. So it's just me go print the picture them now. And what else? One more something, but me can't remember. Go print the picture them and me go buy one patty. But there's something, you know, one time you know say you have something to do and you can't remember it right. One more something, I never make a list this time. That is why I always write down everything. Because sometimes I forgetful. But I can't remember what. But me I go to the plaza to bring the picture them now. Anyway. That light wire drop down. Oh, them I work on it. The man say drop down. Oh, JPS. Let me try. Cross. JPS I fix the wire. Let me go print the picture. May I try to remember, you know, they'll see us do one more thing. Oh, let me step over there. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. So remember before I reach back home. Seriously. 2 minutes after 12. That for sure I'm not too bad with time. You print the picture them now. Yeah. We'll see photo. Have to wait about 15 to 20 minutes. 3 picture 450, 150 each. So I would have actually nearly reached home now if I never had to come to the picture. I know I come here so first and then go do what I do. But actually get through with everything else. But I still can't remember. Still can't remember what one more thing when I have to buy and I can't remember it, guys. But when I reach home, I'm going to buy the patty and go home now. Hungry. 30 minutes, still waiting. Still waiting, guys. Yeah, so slow me up now. So it's like 30 minutes. And there's something wrong with them. So them not have the internet, something wrong. So that. That's why. So guys, I went there 4 minutes after 12 and I leaving 5 minutes after 1. Yeah. Remember when I did want rice, I said I go buy in the supermarket. So I got me a good do. Good thing it the right just in this and go buy. Took up the rice and stuff. So pissed. Yeah. I took up I'm gonna have to take up because the rice when I come in here, so I know I need to bother. Oh, yes, a black cup. But the boy black, man, for me. Sorry. Cake, yeah. Cake, the banana cake looks so dry. I'm $200 fee. Not too dry. Can go make some. Oh yeah, go look for your rice. Always take up where I come from. I let a bottle. $3.99. Got me back in there. So guys, actually I can buy this instead of the patty. Yeah. Me and I can share this one. So let me buy the patty. Patty just have to go through what I eat. Come and take this, you know, and pick up the rice now. When we come in here for. Let's see. See the real rice, the real one here, pasta, let me see. So, let me see, look good. So now for rice, I pay pack rice, me see. Wait till later. Nice thing none of that. Anyway, I don't me come in and find out. So I have to go get that later. To take up a ginger beer and no I want. Hold up. We need this butter. And then sachets. Any sachets. That's it for me. May I come out here? Get my melon, 48, and cotton. Some just need a taxi. And some mega.
Nice, man. Just gonna say. Boy, who you? Some red card.
It's about 20 minutes now, guys, and sit down. And I'll put the picture of them in the frame. See there. Yeah. It's me and Junebug. And to the next one there. And to the other one here. Yeah. So this is the little gift I don't they give me for my birthday. So just print some picture with me in a minute. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna go wash my hand and eat right now because I'm starving. Tati said she's starving because she She don't make nothing. So I'm gonna give her some of the food. She wrote some of my food and gear. So that's what I'm gonna do, wash my hand and do that. Guys, I wash my hand and she wrote hers. Go get down in mine now because I'm really, really hungry. So catch you in another vlog. I'm not gonna pick up back the camera until set up nights, set up and funeral. So